Hi there. This is the design project for the unit ENM 2104 Instrumentation and Measurement. I myself Surya Reggie and Jisna Sani is doing the project together. So we have made a UV index meter which will show the intensity of the UV radiation and which will also show the SPF level that needs to be applied by individuals. Taking a look into the components that we have used to build the circuit, we have an Arduino board, we have breadboards, 9-volt battery, 330 ohm resistor, UV LED lights, SI1145 UV sensor, I2C LCD display, which are all connected with the help of wires, and the whole system is connected to the laptop with the help of a USB cable. Looking into the connections in detail, we have the Arduino board connected to the sensor, and we have the I2C LCD display which is connected to the sensor and the Arduino board with the help of a breadboard. And we have a 9-volt battery which is connected to the breadboard, in which we have connected 330 ohm resistor and 2 UV LED lights. So this circuit is used to produce UV radiation for the design project so that we can measure the intensity of the UV radiation with the help of the sensor, and it'll display on the I2C LCD display. So the connections from Arduino board to the sensor is such that the ground of the Arduino board is connected to the ground of the sensor, 5 volt is connected to V in, SDA is being connected from A4 and A5 is connected to SDL. And the I2C display is connected with the help of a breadboard from both sensor and the Arduino board. So the connections are such that the ground is connected to the ground, SDA is connected to SDA, SDL is connected to SDL, and VIN is connected to VIN. The whole system is connected to the laptop in which we have an Arduino software program. So the program is such that when we turn on the UV LED lights with the help of a 9-volt battery, and we show the radiation of the UV LED light to the sensor in the breadboard, it'll input the program from the software, and it'll calculate and it'll display on the I2C LCD screen the intensity of the UV radiation that we have produced, and then it'll show the SPF level that needs to be applied for that certain range of UV radiation. And based on the theory and the practical experiment that we have already done, we were able to find that the intensity of the UV radiation increases as we move the UV lights more towards the sensor, and it reduces as we move the UV LEDs away from the sensor. Taking a look into the program is designed such a way that the input of the radiation will be taken into, and it'll be like computed, and then the output is given to the LCD display which will show the intensity of the radiation and which will also show us an SPF recommendation. The program in here, we have used prototypes such as the liquid crystal I2C, which is for the display, and we have used the LCD, which is also for the display, and we have the Adafruit SI1145, which is for the sensor of the whole system. So the whole system is connected, and the program will help us get an output in the UV from the UV sensor to the I2C LCD display. So the system in whole will help us to find the intensity of the UV radiation and will help us to find the SPF level that needs to be used by individuals. This whole system can be used by individuals to find out the intensity of the radiation at any given time, and then this can be used to find the SPF level that they have to apply to themselves, that they have to use, which can be a great invention and innovative thing which can help prevent so many chronic diseases, especially the chronic diseases such as skin cancers, which is like a main thing which is bothering so many human beings right now. So this system as a whole will help us to take an initiation towards one step ahead to solving these kind of issues, at least like a certain level. Our system was like working at first. We could have shown you the demo of the output which comes onto the LCD display, but due to unforeseen circumstances the sensor was not working, and due to the unavailability of sensor in shops we were not able to find a sensor at time, and then we had to do the demo with the system not working properly. Sorry about that, and thank you.